Hi, my name is Kendi Ademasha. I'm a brand consultant. Are you running online business? Like, do you do any kind of online business and people are not coming to patronize you and you are not making money? Is you I have this information for. There are three things I'm going to share with you today and you start making money ASAP. Now, how do you start making money online? The first thing you need to understand is the fact that Facebook and Instagram is a business platform. Do you want to make money? So if you have 2,000 followers on your Facebook or Instagram and you make a post, Facebook only allow 50 of your followers, or Instagram allow 50 of your followers to see your post. And tell me, how do you want to make money if only 50 of your followers are the ones seeing your post? So what do you do from here? Facebook wants you to promote your post. It wants you to spend money also to promote your business. And that's what we call the Facebook AD or the Instagram AD. If you don't know how to go about that, I can guide you through that. I can help you through that process. So the first you need to do to get customers on your page is to promote your post, is to promote your business post. Now, after you promote your post, it's very effective. People will start coming. But the second thing you need to understand after promotion, 2 years ago, somebody walked up to me. She said, "Can you help me? My online business, I'm not making money. I need you to help me with promotion." So I said, "No, voila, let's do promotion." So we start promoting and people start rushing to our page, start rushing from left to right. Customers start coming. But something happened. When they showed up and they asked her for price, and by the time we tell them the price of our goods or our services, they ran away. People are not waiting, they just ran away. And like, why are they running away? Why are they running away? The question is, our price is too high. Our cost of price is too high. If people are coming to your page to buy, you have to make your product or services affordable. Let your product be affordable. Don't make it too expensive for people to patronize you. So after doing your AD and customers start coming, then the second thing you need to do is to make your price affordable. The last thing I want to leave you with is this. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe now. Very important, so you can see my next video. The last thing I want to leave you with is this. If you are making your online post, please kindly make use of hashtags. Hashtag is one of the most effective way to get your post everywhere. If you are posting on bag or shoe, kindly use the hashtag of shoes or something similar to the whatever you are using. Hashtag make your post pop up where you never expect it to pop up. And believe you me, if you can be using hashtag effectively, it will make your post visible where you can never imagine to be. I said the first thing is AD post. Don't forget, the second thing is make your price available. And the last one is the use of hashtag. If you can use these three tools effectively, your price and your customer will increase massively. If this video is helpful to you, kindly click on the subscribe button so you can see my next video. Because in my next video, I'm going to be telling you how to keep your loyal customers. It's very important. Some customers showed up and they never come again. How to keep your loyal customers. I'm going to be sharing 5 tips on how you can keep your loyal customers. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget that I love you. Peace out.